In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account. We'll walk through the entire process from the very beginning, so even if you're completely new to Xero or online accounting tools, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any other modern browser you like using. In the address bar at the top, type sign up Xero account and press enter. You should see search results related to Xero's official website. Take a quick moment to double check that the result you click is from Xero's official domain, so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a third-party page. Once you're on Xero's website, look for the option that says sign up or sign up for free trial. It's usually highlighted near the top of the page, often in a button. Click on that. Xero typically offers a free trial period, which lets you explore the features before you commit to a subscription, so this is a great way to test if it fits your needs. After clicking the sign up button, you'll be taken to a registration form where you need to fill in your details. Here, you'll usually enter information like your first and last name, your email address, and your country or region. Make sure you use an email address you have access to, because Xero will likely send a verification link or important setup information there. You'll also need to create a secure password. Choose something that's strong and unique to this account. A good practice is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using personal information that's easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to generate and save a strong password. Once all your details are entered, carefully review the information for accuracy. Check that your email is spelled correctly and that your region is right, as that can affect things like tax settings and currency later. When you're happy, submit the form. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts from Xero. These may include verifying your email, answering a few questions about your business, and setting up some basic preferences for your account. Just go step by step, reading each screen carefully. If you're unsure about any question, you can usually skip optional fields and come back to them later from your Xero settings. When you've completed these prompts, your Xero account will be